Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add music in Synthesia and use background audio to make your AI videos more engaging and professional. First, open your Synthesia project and select the video where you want to add background music. Before adding audio, think about the mood and style you want your video to have. Now, open the audio or media options in the editor and look for the option to add background music. Depending on your project and available features, you can choose suitable music or add an audio file. When selecting music, choose a track that matches your content. For professional business videos, use something simple and subtle. For marketing or social media content, you can choose music with a little more energy. Next, add the selected music to your project and check how it works with the AI voice. The background music should support the narration rather than compete with it. If the music sounds too loud, reduce the volume so the avatar's voice remains clear. The narration should always be easy for viewers to hear and understand. You should also pay attention to the beginning and ending of the music. Make sure the audio starts and finishes naturally with the video. If your project contains multiple scenes, listen to the music across the entire video and make sure it fits the overall pacing. For tutorial and training videos, keep background music subtle because viewers need to focus on the instructions.